So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D bubble chart to your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to this top bar, in between table and text, press on chart. Make sure that 2D is selected. So if you're on interactive or 3D, make sure that 2D is selected. Once that is done and you want to have a bubble chart, go down to the very bottom to this right hand side right here, the bottom right, and press on this chart. This is an example of a 2D bubble chart. Just like that. And if you want to make sure that you have the bubble chart selected, press on the chart, go to the bottom right where it says chart type and where it says 2D bubble, make sure that is checked just like that. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to add a 2D bubble chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.